That's not bad. That's not bad. Not bad. A little slight. It's a little slight. Look at my feet. Well, hello y'all. Today, I am looking for a new job. So I'm about to walk inside to see if they're hiring because I'm about to quit my old job to find a new job. So let's see. Yeah, I am currently looking for a new job because I'm about to quit my old job. So I just want y'all to, like, you know, y'all gonna be with me quitting my job and finding a new job. Like, that's just what it is. It's not an easy thing at all. It's very hard. It's a process. I can tell you that. It really is. Then the holidays coming up, everything is just bad timing. But yeah, I'm about to get a new job. I know it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. I think this is being the third checkup. I didn't get them teeth checked. Peanut, I think he gonna need braces. And I'm just being honest because he got my teeth. He got my old teeth. Seriously, he really do. I had braces for about like 3 years. So yeah. Stop. See, because I really don't know, like, I don't know. This would be hilarious. How you doing? This is so weird. Do y'all sell like Viagra for women? The what? The women Viagra piece.
Yeah, we got those two.
Okay, let me see. Let me see. No. You used one of these before? Okay.
We only have those two de la para mujer, ¿verdad? Pásame una de cada una. Yeah, it's just those.
Can you get it for me so I can see?
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Okay. Cause I ain't never heard of it.
Yeah. The other one but we don't carry them anymore.
You used it before? No? Y'all know somebody that be coming get this?
I mean, there's customers that
Do it
come
work?
get it.
So you think it work?
No, but have you heard anybody telling you?
Yeah.
I've heard about the sex lady one. I don't know about the pink one.
Oh, Jesus. I'm trying to prank my mama because she not talking to me. Don't laugh, for real. I'm about to get her. This shit ain't got no man. Oh, baby, it's gonna be lit.
Oh, you're wrong for that.
She not talking to me. So I'm like, okay, all right, let me go get her something to eat. Okay, which one you think I should get?
I think that one.
This one?
Yeah, because this one is just like if they're already
Okay.
warning. So that one.
Okay, so this is your. Okay, I'm gonna get this one.
Choice.
Okay. This is gonna be hilarious.
This one?
Yeah, this one. Well, how many should I get? You think?
They're 2 for 14.
How many you think I should do? One? Yeah, one. Okay, I got it, y'all. We about to go feed my mama, and I guess put this in her drink. Come here, read it back of this, see how long it take to work. It's a team.
Girl, it's only gonna flip out.
Kamika ain't on it too, just so y'all know, because she's supposed to do something bad, but I'm doing mama. Okay. Here's her drink.
I feel bad now.
Oh, we gotta make sure this fit.
Oh, that look like chocolate milk. Good, it's bubbling up. Oh, man. No, it don't. It tastes like Dr. Pepper.
Okay, here's the Mom, what's that man name who wanted for something with glasses? Huh?
What's for?
This for your mama.
That's for mama.
That's it? That's all y'all get is this? Oh, look at Milo. You watching your wife?
Look at him.
See that?
Wait till some part of his hand out. Don't stay home, Mom.
No. Come with us.
Look at the minute. Lord Jesus, Lord. Lord.
Then he look like he know what he doing.
He doing. He doing what the fuck he doing.
You just wake up one day as a dog in your yard. Can we keep it? Yeah, the motherfucker ate, so that's our dog. We fed him and he ate.
Your mama wants you. Look. Bye bye. Good morning. Hello. How y'all doing today? Y'all doing good today? Because I'm not. Okay, so first thing first, I don't know how long ago, but I'm babe. And I'm supposed to go to work for 9 o'clock. It is currently, I think, 9:50. I'm supposed to go to work for 9 o'clock today. And I called in because Peanut got the pink eye. Okay. It's just been a long week for me. Because for the past 2 days, or maybe 3 days, called in maybe twice. And it was because I am mentally drained. And because, like today, my baby doesn't feel good. And like I always say, when you're working, yourself come first, your health come first, and your child come first. If you have kids, they come first. For me, it's like a sacrifice, you know. When I work every day, all day, it's like a big sacrifice for me because it's like, damn, I gotta be away from. Ooh, it's like, damn, I gotta be away from my child all day because it's, you know, it's helping us financially, right? But yeah, I am heading to Jack in the Box. Let me make this a little short story. Last night I went and got, let me repeat what I got on my receipt. Hold up. Last night I got, to be exact, I got an order of a kids meal with a Coke, or a kids meal. So basically like 5 chicken nuggets with the kids meal with the Coke, and I got a spicy chicken sandwich, the number 10, with a small fresh French fry and a small lemonade to drink. That total up to $11.74, and I came to Jack in the Box at, to be exact, 11:16 at night. And on receipts, people that keep receipt, you will know who rung you up, and they have a number for you to call the store, and they have a date, 11/17/2017, which was what, last night? Well, yesterday, yeah. So I am going back to go take this in because I want my money back. Being that I paid with a card, so if it takes business days, then that's what I prefer, because I was very unhappy with my food. Let me tell you why. Okay, first of all, I'm not a person that always eat out to eat. I do not eat fast food restaurants, especially like Jack in the Box, Burger King, McDonald's. I just don't. I feel like it's very unhealthy. Here's the real reason why. I bit into it, and something told me to check my burger. I opened the bun, and the cheese looked like, okay, they had cheese at the bottom of the bun, and they had cheese at the top of the bun, which the one at the bottom looked very old. It was like it was already on the bun, and then they put a fresh one at the top so that way the burger can look fresh. And when I seen it, something was just like, grab your lighter. I grabbed my lighter and burned it, and it wouldn't burn. It was burning like paper. It smelled like paper and everything. So I was just like, oh hell no. In the morning I'm pulling up and I want my money back. I didn't even eat my food, so I want all this shit back.
Yes,
What happened? Hey girl, what happened?
Hey, I was just unhappy with my food last night, that's all. So I was just coming to get a refund.
What was wrong with it?
I think because it was like, I don't know, it just tasted old for me.
I can replace it with another meal. You don't have to get that, but I can't give you a refund.
But being that I don't like really eat fast food, do I have to get like something else if I don't eat it?
We got a salad. You get a salad, whatever you want.
I don't eat none of it.
You had the salt, you had the spice, the Indian honey, and all of it.
I just basically, when I opened the burger, I just left it there. Like, you know, I just rather call and give them a heads up.
Well, I said, we would have kept the food. Next time when it's something that big, you need to bring that food back.
I didn't know you supposed to do all this.
Oh,
Like,
yeah. With a refund like that?
yeah.
That's almost a $13.
I don't know what I'm about to do. Hey, it's cool.
You don't want anything?
To be honest with you, I'm not even gonna lie. No.
Give you some ice cream.
I'll
put my
refund that, you can refund that spice to come on back, but not the whole come on. You can give her that $6 and something back, and
Yes,
she can get something for
that's
that
fine.
$3.
Well, we at the doctor waiting to get called. We're now in the room. They checked everything going on, so we just waiting on the doctor to come inside. We just sitting on here. Mommy have some? Give me some. I went to urgent care and they basically told me that we didn't have the pink eye.